To send money from Pakistan to Germany, you will need to follow a series of steps. First, you will need to choose a money transfer service that operates in both countries, such as Western Union, MoneyGram, or an online service like TransferWise or Z Money Transfer. Next, you will need to gather the necessary information, including the recipient's name, address, and bank account details in Germany. If you are using a bank transfer, you will also need the recipient's IBAN and BIC or SWIFT code. Once you have this information, you can visit the website or branch of your chosen money transfer service and create an account if you do not already have one. You will typically need to provide identification and proof of address to verify your account. After your account is set up, you can initiate the transfer by entering the recipient's details and the amount you wish to send. You will then be given a quote for the transfer, including any fees and the exchange rate. If you are happy with the quote, you can proceed with the transfer, and the money will be sent to the recipient's account in Germany. The transfer time will depend on the service you use, but it is usually within 1 to 3 business days. It is essential to compare the fees and exchange rates of different services before making a transfer, as this can help you save money. You should also ensure that the service you use is secure and reputable, and that you have a clear understanding of the transfer process and any potential risks. In addition to using a money transfer service, you can also send money from Pakistan to Germany through a bank transfer. This typically involves visiting your bank branch and providing the recipient's bank details, as well as the amount you wish to send. The bank will then transfer the funds to the recipient's account, and you will be charged a fee for the service. Bank transfers can be more expensive than using a specialist money transfer service, but they can be a convenient option if you already have a relationship with the bank. Overall, sending money from Pakistan to Germany is a relatively straightforward process, as long as you choose a reputable service and follow the necessary steps. By comparing fees and exchange rates, and ensuring that you have a clear understanding of the transfer process, you can save money and ensure that your transfer is secure and successful.